Right, simplify the following expressions. We've got 5 to the minus 2, the cube root of 8 to the 4, 27 over 64 to the minus 2/3. It says here very clearly you must show you're working. It's not okay in IGCSE to put these numbers in your calculator and then use the calculator to write down the answer. So we need some sort of working. So 5 to the minus 2, when we have to use this rule of indices, which is a to the minus n is 1 over a to the n. So you do need to learn all the rules. So this can be rewritten as 1 over 5 squared. Now 5 squared is 1 over 25. So we've got a final answer of 1 over 25. For b, the cube root of 8 to the 4. Right, so this is like taking the cube root of 8 and then raising it to the power of 4. Now, you can do these in any order. You can do 8 to the 4 and take the cube root, although you end up with larger numbers, okay? So, the cube root of 8 is 2, because 2 times 2 times 2 makes 8. So, this becomes 2 to the 4. So, 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and times another 2 will make a final answer of 16. Part C, got 27 over 64 to the minus 2/3. Well, the minus sign on a fraction, when you've got a over b minus n, means to make b the numerator and a the denominator, i.e. flip the fraction and make the power positive. So this will become 64 to the plus 2/3 over 27. 64 over 27 to the 2/3. So you flip the fraction. Right, what does a to the m over n mean? So it means take the nth root of a and raise it to the power of n. So this little 3 here will mean I have to take the cube root of 64 and 27. And it's worth learning a few cube numbers, and then you'll be able to spot using indices much easier. So we need to take the cube root of 64 over 27 and then square it. It doesn't matter which way around we do this, but obviously it's easier to take the cube root first and then square. So the cube root of 64 is 4, and the cube root of 27 is 3. So we've got 4 over 3. We still now have to square it. And 4 squared is 16, and 3 squared is 9. So we've got a final answer, 16 over 9, and we can leave it as an improper fraction. So this has been a video to show you how to use the rules of indices with numbers. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.